few more things that were completed this week in the basement. The rooms were actually cleared out of all the furniture that was stored here, baseboards, casing, fireplace mantle, a simple fireplace mantle we did here, just because it's a little bit of a smaller space. So this mantle design doesn't take up a lot of room. And this other room over here is also cleaned out. There used to be a lot of things stored in here, the existing furniture and a few other things, but now it's all cleared out because we're going to be installing some baseboards here and finishing the drywall taping and also painting. We're going to be trimming out the remaining doors in the basement area as well. And we also installed a few more pot lights just to give a little bit of light in this area and the low ceiling here. So quite a few things happened this week and it's looking pretty good.